We had no idea that we were really close to a fault line, so the earthquake was really quite of a surprise to everybody. It bounced around our three buildings here at National City Christian Church pretty well. Essentially what happened is that the front part of the sanctuary took a pretty severe bounce. One of the main supporting beams above the four columns in the front crushed all of the plaster work that sat on top of the four columns. A lot of the plaster did fall in large 15-20 pound chunks inside of the pipe organ chamber. So many of the organ pipes were literally crushed beyond usability. We figured that there was going to be somewhere between $125,000 and $150,000 worth of repairs that would have to be done. A lot of that cost simply had to do with the fact that, with the church being built in 1930, we couldn't just have a regular, everyday contractor come in. We all struggled with wanting it to go faster. I think it's been a good lesson for us in the act of being patient and having perseverance. Now that we have all of the players in place, we are all on target to have everything back and looking brand new by Easter Sunday of 2013.